Titan 18HX stands unrivaled. It's not just a laptop, it's the epitome of power and exclusivity. If you're struggling to grasp the concept, picture it as a high-performance desktop that's been made portable. Today, I'm showing you the design, features, and tips of the latest Titan 18HX. Ready to be amazed? Let's get started. Get ready for the Titan 18HX, featuring the first ever 18-inch 4K mini LED display with 120 Hz refresh rate for unparalleled realism. With display HDR 1000 and a dynamic color range, it's a visual feast. The robust magnesium aluminum alloy chassis and elegant dual-tone design are complemented by a rear I/O and 3D base stand for optimal cooling. Experience the seamless RGB haptic touchpad, which uses vibrations to mimic sensations like clicking the mouse, and the redesigned Cherry Switch mechanical keyboard for responsive touch. Under the armor, the Titan 18HX is a beast. Equipped with an Intel i9-14900HX processor, capable of reaching up to 200 watts on its own. It also features an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090, 4 DDR5 memory slots, and 3 M.2 NVMe SSD slots, offering extensive storage and upgrade possibilities. You can scale up to a massive 24 terabytes of SSD storage and 192 gigabytes of memory to meet your specific needs. Plus, its 99.9 watt-hour battery complies with aviation regulations, making this desktop powerhouse flight-ready and travel-friendly. Heat? Not a problem. Thanks to its innovative vapor chamber cooling system, the largest on the market, featuring 2 fans and 4 exhausts that maintain optimal temperatures even during intense use. The 3D cooling stands further enhance airflow and ensure consistent performance. MSI Overboost Ultra takes performance to the next level, unleashing the full power of the CPU and GPU. Unlike standard laptops that struggle under heavy loads, the Titan 18HX's advanced firmware maintains a consistent power output, 95 watts for the CPU and 175 watts for the GPU, totaling 270 watts. This ensures seamless gaming without any interruptions. Looking to max out your gaming laptop's potential? MSI's got you covered with the MSI Center software, transforming complex tweaks into user-friendly adjustments. Keep your MSI Center updated and your laptop plugged in for peak performance. Here's how to get the most out of your Titan 18HX. First is the discrete graphics mode. You can amp up your gaming by setting your discrete graphics as the primary output. Dive into the MSI Center's general settings to flip the MUX switch and reboot for instant gains. Secondly, adjust the power mode. Crank it up by navigating to Start, Settings, System, Power and Battery, and selecting the power mode to Best Performance to unleash the beast within. And the last tip is hidden in the MSI Center. Users can take control with manual adjustments in the user scenario. Push your profile to extreme performance. Tweak those GPU clocks and hit Cooler Boost for non-stop cooling. Or let the MSI AI engine work its magic, optimizing your system's performance, RGB, audio, and display settings to match your activity. Whether it's gaming, work, meetings, or entertainment, MSI adapts to your app switches with smart scenario profiles. That's how you squeeze every ounce of power from your Titan 18HX for an unbeatable gaming experience. Gamers rejoice! The comprehensive I/O ports on the Titan 18HX mean you can connect to anything and everything. On the left of the laptop, there are 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A, SD card reader, and Kensington lock. On the right of the laptop, there are audio combo jack, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, and on the rear of the laptop, there are RJ45, HDMI, and DC in. Please notice that when the first time you use the laptop, do remember to attach the power adapter for unlocking the shipping mode. Shipping mode could prevent the laptop from being accidentally powered up while shipping. So, once you get the laptop, just plug in the power cable to unlock it. The mechanical keyboard is a Cherry MX gem, fine-tuned for pinpoint accuracy and that satisfying tactile feedback. Customize the MSI Dragon badge, keyboard, and touchpad hues with SteelSeries GG software. Simply launch the preload software, head to Engine, Prism, and tailor the RGB lighting to your style. It's all about making your gear as unique as your gameplay. Apart from the keyboard control, SteelSeries GG can optimize your gaming sound effects as well. In Sonar Page, there are optimized the in-game sound for a wide variety of games such as Alan Wake 2, Assassin's Creed Mirage, Cyberpunk 2077, Dying Light 2, and so on. By selecting them, you can hear the bullet and steps in-game more clearly. That's the Titan 18HX for you. A laptop that's more than just a machine. It's your gateway to gaming supremacy. Thanks for joining us on this tech journey, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the future of gaming tech. Until next time, keep dominating.